Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm so excited to share with you my thoughts about the Amrita Paleo Bites that were sent to me. First of all, I'm so excited to see these show up in the mail last week. There were 5 flavors that were sent to me, and they were all delicious. I will talk about my favorite one first. My favorite flavor was definitely the chocolate coconut. It's kind of like a brownie texture. Flavor was really good, but when you look at the ingredients, it's like, wow, this isn't a brownie, this is actually good for me. So really enjoyed the chocolate coconut minis. My second favorite flavor were the chocolate espresso ones. The dark chocolate espresso were my second favorite. I'm a mom, so anything with the word espresso in it is a win for me. Again, texture was great, brownie-like. I think the only downside of the chocolate coconut and the dark chocolate espresso was that they tasted so good. So I would just want to keep on eating them, but that's not a bad thing. I also really enjoyed the apple cinnamon minis, and my daughter loves these. The only thing, they are a little bit sticky, but if a 16-month-old with barely any teeth can eat them, then that's a win for sure. So apple cinnamon minis, really good. Ingredients in all of these are great for a child to eat, except for the espresso ones. She did not try those, but she loved all of the other ones. And if I can share my snack with my daughter, since she usually tackles me for my snacks anyway, then that's always a win. I want to make sure that I'm feeding her things that are real food, and that the ingredients in these foods are good for her health as well. So apple cinnamon minis were definitely a win in my house. The mango coconut minis were surprisingly yummy. Not a huge mango person, but these were good, and again, my daughter loved them. The last flavor that was sent to us were the chocolate mint. My husband loved these because he loves mint chocolate, so those were good. Again, brownie-like texture, so kind of have that dessert feel, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. But for us in our house, these snacks are perfect for on the go. We're a busy family, so something that we can grab quick that tastes good, has good ingredients, is a win. So very excited for these to hit the shelves. Thank you for sending.